Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Anucreative Art Classes. Friends, today I teach you how to draw kite with the help of triangle. It is so easy and I teach you step by step how to make kite. Let's start friends. Friends, first you have to draw one slanting line, then opposite side slanting line. After that you make one slipping line. Now you make again same triangle, opposite side slanting line, opposite slanting line. After that you join these lines. Now you make one straight line, standing line here. Now you make again one small triangle. Look at here. Our kite is ready. Now we make string. Now we make eyes. Two eyes. And one smiling face. Your kite is ready. Friends, you understand how I make this kite? This is so easy. You make this kite in your drawing files and fill it with colors. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like and share my video and press bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.